I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can export really fast in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what you have to do first is to make sure you finished your project, and then please click on export here, and then here in this window we can export our video. And it's quite simple. All we have to do is to name our file, and then location, match source. So here format, which is MP4, and you can also upload this video directly to YouTube. You just have to check this button. Now here for video, it's match source, which is the right one. Audio, it's the right settings here as well. So pretty much don't have really to change anything. You just have to enter your name, select the file, the location where you like to save, and then you can also here, as I said, enable this, and now you can upload this to YouTube. And now you just have to enter, you see title, description, playlist, channel. You can select there your channel and a thumbnail and tags, and which is really convenient. Now all you have to do right now is just to click on export right over here, and that's pretty much it. You are good to go. So I really hope you find this short video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.